In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos and video channels to your Wix website. Whether you're looking to showcase your own content, share videos from other platforms, or simply enhance the overall experience of your site, adding videos can be a game changer. Videos are an excellent way to engage your audience, communicate your message, and make your website more dynamic. The process is straightforward, and with just a few clicks, you'll have everything set up and looking professional. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to the Wix website and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard displaying all the websites you've created with your account. Find the one you want to update with videos and click the Edit Site button. This will open the Wix Editor where you can make all kinds of changes to your website. Now that you're in the editor, locate the Add Apps icon. You'll find this in the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. The icon looks like a square with a plus sign in it. Once you spot it, click on it. This will open the Wix App Market, where you can browse and search for various tools and features to enhance your site. Next, in the search bar at the top of the App Market, type Wix Video, hit Enter, and Wix will display the relevant results. When the Wix Video app appears, click on it to learn more about what it offers. This app is designed for managing and displaying video content on your website, making it an essential tool for this tutorial. Once you're ready to add the app to your site, click the Add to Site button. This will integrate the Wix Video app into your website. The installation process may take a moment, so just give it a little time to load. Once it's complete, you'll see the Wix Video app interface appear in your editor. From here, click the Manage Videos button within the app interface. This is where you'll start uploading or embedding your video content. Let's talk about uploading your own videos first. To do this, click the button labeled Upload Videos. A window will open, allowing you to select video files from your device. Choose the ones you'd like to showcase on your site and confirm your selection. The files will begin uploading, and you'll see them populate in your video library. If you want to embed videos instead of uploading them, that's just as easy. Click on the Embed Video option within the Wix Video app here. You'll be prompted to paste the URL of the video you'd like to embed. This works for videos hosted on platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or Facebook. Simply copy the video's URL, paste it into the field provided, and confirm the action. The video will now be integrated into your site through the Wix Video app. To make your video content more organized and user-friendly, consider creating categories or playlists. This is especially helpful if you're adding multiple videos or if your content covers different topics. Organizing your videos will enhance navigation for your visitors, ensuring they can easily find what they're looking for. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added videos and video channels to your Wix website. It's a simple process, but it can make a huge difference in how your site looks and feels to your audience. Don't forget to preview your site after making these changes to ensure everything looks just right. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.